Hello all, this is Dr. Nidhi Pandya. I am a homeopath. I practice homeopathy since more than 15 years now. Currently I am practicing in Pune. So today I am going to share something about basics of homeopathy, how homeopathy works and what type of cases you can go for like homeopathy or what kind of result you can expect. So some frequent questions which I hear about is can we give homeopathy to our child or how fast it can work, what is the constitutional treatment or root medicine, or what are the diseases where homeopathy can offer something or treat the type of diseases. So this is all what I am going to share in detail today. So first let me just give you the basic principle of homeopathy, or what is my concept of homeopathic practice. What I see, just let me explain you with some drawing here. I hope you all can see this image, this drawing. So what I feel is, since childhood, since birth, we all have some personality trait. A child can be angry by nature, can be obstinate, that is ziddi by nature, can be irritable, can be fearful. So we all have some personality trait since the birth. Let's say if a child is obstinate by nature, and we all have some root. Let's for example, this is your root medicine. So in general, in allopathy they say that okay, this is a patient of cirrhosis of liver, or this is a patient of chronic bronchitis or asthma. But in homeopathy what we say, okay, this is a nux vomica patient, or this is a sulfur patient. So we call them by their root medicine. So we all have this root medicine since birth. We all have a set of weaker organs. So someone's skin will be weak, someone's liver can be weak, someone's gastric system is poor, or maybe someone's muscular system or joint pains are frequent. So this is a set of weaker organs. We all have this kind of a set of weaker organs. We all have some basic nature. Till the age of 5 years old, generally we express our emotion with our surrounding or family. So as for example, if a child is fearful, so he'll be comfortable, he'll be disease free or symptom free until and unless he is at home or maybe at his comfortable environment. Whenever we grow, after 5 years we go to school, maybe after like 10 years, 15 years for higher studies or some job stress or maybe some life change. Maybe so we are going to in-laws place, totally different environment. So you can't express your basic nature or basic emotion, which can be fear, which can be anger, which can be irritability, which can be suspiciousness. So whatever is your basic emotion, you can't express in each and every zone now. So this emotion will suppress, and this suppressed emotion may lead to some disturbance of your systems or your organs. So these weak organs may get affected. This way disease develops. So at the age of, as for example, at the age of 45, you will come to me for like number of symptoms, many reports at a time, that I am suffering from renal stone, I have some constipation also, I have some sleep pattern disturbance is also there. So these are the signs and symptoms of that particular disease which is there in root. So this way the disease develops. So at the age of 45 or maybe 50, you will be having like a number of symptoms with your disease pattern. So these are the signs and symptoms. They seems to be different, not connected to each other, but actually they are connected at the center level or the root level. So in homeopathy, what we do, we directly shoot the root. If we shoot the root, immediately each and every symptoms will be in a better level, or maybe some symptoms may be gone, some diseases which is like named as it is incurable, or this will be lifestyle disorder. So this kind of symptoms we can cure with the help of this kind of root medicine. Earlier what used to happen in homeopathy, there were only like few medicines only. So homeopathy used to prescribe with like amongst this 100 medicine only. So limited scope of homeopathy was there. You must be knowing that for renal stone, that is kidney stone, homeopathy was very famous. If you treat with the help of, like if you are having this kind of renal stone or skin issues or liver issues, if you are having renal stone, then one may suggest, okay, you can go for homeopathy. So why? Because this 100 out of this 100 medicine, few medicines were there which were very famous for renal stones. So this way, this kind of renal stone can be treated with the help of homeopathy. So this was the past. Now nearly 3000 medicines are there. So homeopathy and the medicinal part has expanded now. So we have many medicines, and in this current zone, like if there are 3000 medicines at a time, so the scope of homeopathy is much wide now. What we do, we understand the patient since the root. So what was the beginning of the disease? What are the symptoms in early childhood? If a person is suffering from cough and cold in early childhood, maybe after a few years he'll be diagnosed as this is pediatric asthma, or maybe bronchitis after some time, or some another lung related disorder, or lung related diagnosis will be there in future. So this way, if we can treat at the root level or initial level when only few symptoms are there, if we can treat with the initial symptoms, then we can cure each and every complaint, or each and every diseases can be treated. So this way, out of this 3000 medicine, we select single medicine which is there in your root, and we directly shoot the root. In that process, we need to understand how you were as 5 years old, 10 years old, 15 years old, or at the age of 45 years old, which is the common pattern which runs in each and every stage of your life. A child who is fearful in his early childhood, in his early childhood, maybe after 25 or 30 years of age, he may not express the fear, but there is there in maybe in his dreams, or maybe in examination fear, or maybe interview fear. So the personality or the center of that particular patient will be there, and it will be reflected in each and every level of his life. So now what we do in current homeopathy, or maybe advanced level of homeopathy, we understand this level which very much deeper queries or questionnaires will be there. We ask so many questions regarding the childhood, or maybe current complaints, or the details of the physical complaints, and we collect a data of that particular case, and that will be like a jigsaw puzzle to us. So whatever you will say, we apply some logic, and on that basis we prescribe a few medicine. Okay. So then we prescribe a single medicine for that particular case. So if you are giving data to a homeopath, and if your homeopath understand the concept, or maybe what is there in the central disturbance, then he can select the best medicine for you, and we can directly shoot the root. So after 15 days, you will see the improvement in each and every level. If my medicine is correct, if I am so sure this medicine, this patient needs A, not A1, not A2. So final differentiation will be also important. So this way, if I can select the best medicine for you, immediately you can see the improvement on each and every level. Of course, there are like if you are suffering from liver cirrhosis, then you can't see much improvement on pathological level or the laboratory investigation in first 15 days. But you can see that okay, system is working fine, and now I don't have any complaints regarding this. I don't have this kind of issues which was there in past. I sleep in a proper way now. I feel hunger. Earlier I used to have no hunger. So this way you can see the improvement within 15 days. So if my medicine is right, if your homeopath prescribes you the best medicine or the correct medicine, then you will see the improvement on each and every level. Sometimes what happens, if you are coming for the first time and I don't have enough data or I don't have enough time to understand your case, I'll prescribe partial medicine. Partial means what? I'll prescribe on the basis of this particular disease or this particular symptom, and then I'll give you that medicine. So this way, this symptom may be cured or maybe disappear. It can be disappeared for some time, but this disease progress will be further growing. So you will not feel the improvement on each and every level. That is also a part of homeopathy, but the constitutional treatment is most important. Means we need to select the root medicine, which is the ideal prescription for homeopathy. So now, what are the common questions? What we really hear in our day-to-day life is that for pediatric cases, so can I give my homeopathic medicine? Yes, I will suggest that you should go for this like homeopathic treatment or constitutional treatment for your kid. Why? Because if your child suffering from some like cough and cold at the age of 7 years of age, 7 years old, then why not to give homeopathy treatment? Maybe we can't understand the each and every level, so we can understand the central disturbance, where we will have the idea about the basic temperament or maybe some like few observations regarding his health at night or maybe after taking curd, if symptoms are worse. So this way you can go for the symptomatic treatment for your child. Even 1 day old child, there are like very common symptoms which we can in those cases we can avoid antibiotics or any other medicine. As for example, if a child is suffering from rattling cough, there is it's a very good and short medicine for that. It is called Entimtad. So you can give that medicine to 1 day old baby also. So this way a homeopath needs to understand your case and individualize the case and prescribe the best medicine for your child. That is the only process. So if you are sharing your observation and if your homeopath gets it, then immediately you will see the improvement. So there are no side effects. If you are going for pediatric cases, we usually prefer low potency because we are not so sure that this is the current or the central medicine. So we just go for like removing symptoms one by one, or we just observe the child's growth in each and every year. This way we make them healthy or in a better immunity level, or we can avoid antibiotics at each and every level. Then another is like always people ask that, okay, how much time it will take. So that is only one answer. There is only one answer for that. If I understand your case in each and every level, then you will be feeling improvement within 15 days only. Within 15 days. So if I have understood the case for almost like maybe 2 or 3 hours for the first time, so I'll be having each and every data of your case, your past reports and all, your physical or central disturbance about your psychological pattern and your weaker organ, the set of weaker organs. If I get the idea of each and every zone, then you will see the improvement on each and every level within 15 days. If I may go wrong, there must be something which is leaking in my observation. So this way medicine take like a longer duration to start the improvement. So this is the basic answer for this kind of query. Another is, which kind of disease can be treated with homeopathy? So I always see that this is a common frequent question on Quora.com, that they always say, okay, can we treat this lipoma with the help of homeopathy? Can we go for homeopathy for my nasal polyp? Or can we go for homeopathy for my this pediatric asthma? So this way, what I see or what I say for this particular question is, each and every disease can be treated with the homeopathy. The condition is that if you are like first to understand the concept of homeopathy, if you are giving enough data, and if your homeopath tries to understand, he should take like enough time to understand your case, and if he understands each and every zone of your case, then you can treat each and every disease. Maybe the intensity or the improvement level will be different. If you are asking for like a person is having 80 years old, if a person is having some liver issue, so you can see improvement very slow because we don't go for higher potency in this old age. We go for very low potency. But if that patient is living healthy life, so that is also beneficial. If you are going for surgery for particular disease, then if you can postpone that surgery, that is also beneficial. If you are suffering from some frequent disease which is chronic, so every weather change you suffer from cough, cold, coryza, and you have to go for antibiotics. So if we prescribe homeopathy to that particular patient, so the regular use of antibiotics can be avoided. So this is also beneficial. So in each and every disease, homeopathy can be helpful, but only one condition is that if your homeopath understands your case, then he'll be able to prescribe the particular or the exact medicine for your case. It can be like this way. If you ask, okay, have you cured lipoma patient in your past? I may say that I have not cured any lipoma cases in my past, but if I understand your case, I can treat you. This is the only answer to this question, that what kind of disease a homeopath can cure. So this is all about my introduction to homeopathy. I hope you understand my concept of homeopathy, how we treat. This will be helpful to choose your homeopath, or maybe a type of treatment which you want to go for. I hope you all liked it. So please like my video and like my clinic page, that is Platinum Family Clinic. We'll be sharing each case or like this kind of information mostly on daily basis. Thank you all for listening.